Hello everyone, Steve Kanjar here at our latest listing, brought to you by the only name you need to know for real estate in Niagara, Peak Performers Realty. Today we're at 62 Merritt Street East in the city of Welland, across the street from the Welland Recreational Canal. It's a 2-story, 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, 1 half bath, detached garage, absolutely totally updated, show's awesome. Let's go have a look. Whether you're buying or selling a home, or both, your success hinges upon the expert advice and services provided by your real estate agent. My team of realtors and I are committed to providing our clients with professional services based on our experience, knowledge, and skills. We are the agents who specialize in this local market and have the reputation for putting you, the client, first. My name is Stephen Kanjar and I'm the broker of record at Peak Performers Realty. We're looking forward to learning more about you, your needs, and your goals.